Hello lovely family, welcome back again to another video. I hope you all are doing so well. Today I'm so excited to share with you a simple egg omelette recipe. Let's get started. In a clean bowl, I'm going to crack in my 2 eggs. To that I will add in my all-purpose seasoning, a salt to taste, and 1 tablespoon of curry powder. And trust me, the curry powder is going to add in more taste to your egg omelette. You will love the taste after doing this, trust me. So try this and leave a comment down below and let me know how yours will go as well. Next, I'm going to prep some sausages and I'm going to slice this into small sizes. Feel free to cut it any way you want it, but for this recipe I'm going to slice it into small sizes. Next, I'm going to prep some carrots as well, green bell peppers, scallions, and green pepper called pakoshito in Ghana. So I'm going to prep everything nicely into small sizes and set it aside. To a heated pan, I'll add in my cooking oil. You can use any oil of your preference. Next, I'm going to add in my eggs and give it a quick stir. You can use a wooden ladle as I'm using, or a spatula to do this, because we're going to create fluffiness in this egg. After stirring it, add in your vegetables. You can use any vegetables of your choice. Add it and make sure your fire is on very low heat. With this way you can get the nice and the best egg omelette you looking for. Trust me, always make sure your fire is on very low heat before you do this. Next, I'm going to cover this for at least 1 minute on the low heat for it to cook very well. So this is after 1 minute of cooking it, and just look at how nice you are able to lift everything together. Everything has come together very nicely. Just look at that. So our egg omelette for this recipe is ready. So I'm going to set this aside. Just look at how nice it came out. So this is the first method of how I make my own omelette at home. The second one is my mom's favorite recipe. So let's get started. So in a bowl, I'll add in all my chopped vegetables and my sausages as well. I'll crack in 2 eggs, add in all-purpose seasoning, a salt to taste, and 1 teaspoon of curry powder as well. Mix everything and set it aside. Next, I'm going to heat up some oil and add in my eggs. As usual, you have to stir and create some fluffiness. Don't just add it and leave your eggs as that, because you're going to burn your eggs and you don't want that. So I'm going to cover it for at least 1 minute on the low heat, and this is after 1 minute of frying it. And just look at how nice everything has come together, as nice and easy as that. Our egg omelette for this recipe, and my mom's favorite, is this one. It's ready and nicely done. Just look at how nice it looks. Now let me know what you think about this omelette. Do you like the first one or the second one? But for me, I love the first one. I don't know of you, but for my mom, she loves this one very well. I mean the second one. So choose the one you want and make it very easy for yourself. I love crunchiness in my vegetables. That's why I love the first one. So if you haven't tried this recipe, please try this and leave a comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel as well, please subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. Like, comment and share, and give me a thumbs up, and please click on the post notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Thank you once again for watching this video to the end, and stay blessed.